She's the short, sweet, adorable kitty Pearl.
Oh, we're heading out. We're heading out. Woo! Going on a hike. Do 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 do. We're gonna hike. Do 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 do. We're gonna what?
Right there, Syra.
What?
Are you our only fourth year?
Not anymore.
Come here, you get to help with the hike.
We're hiking.
We get to help with the hike. Left, left, right, left. Right to the land of Rocky Girl.
Oh my gosh, you can so tell they're mother and daughter.
Oh yeah, for sure.
What?
Hike's done. Let's go back.
Hike. Ha. A beautiful land. Escape around us.
We can go back now.
How long have we been walking?
About a minute.
Way too long.
What is this?
It's all uphill. Mimi, you lied. That wasn't the last hill. Trembled under peer pressure.
Did it end?
It ended, so we have to go back to the other one. Because there was a chain marking it off. Yeah, it's a vlog.
Hey!
I'm really tired. We all are. I thought this was supposed to be a nature walk. What's with the uphill?
It's called a hike, Kimberly.
She said nature walk. She did not say hike. What the heck is this?
The schedule.
And look down. And around.
Are you filming?
And up. Yes, I'm filming.
No,
Water break.
this is just an extreme level of exertion.
Oh, my head's throbbing.
Yeah, I know. You get to the
That's where we're going. Where's a spigot? Who said there was a spigot? I need to fill up my water bottle. It's bad. Let's see if we can get anyone behind me. Yeah. Oh, look, another arrow. Whoop. We've got a long ways to go. There's another uphill. Do they plan to kill us? Don't run! And that says 7 out of 10. We've got 3 more posts to go to. 7 out of 10. But it's still going uphill.
Viewpoint?
Oh my gosh. Would you look at this? We're going downhill. We're going down. If I don't pant, it helps. 8 out of 10. We only got 2 more posts to, ooh, pile of wood. 2 more posts to go to. Okay. So here's where whoa, I almost slipped. Here's where I am right now. I don't see anyone in front of me. And I don't see anyone behind me. I can hear them. I can hear them. But they're all behind me. So, this is not a nature walk. I think they lied to us to get us to do some exercise because they all saw us eating all that junk at the campgrounds and eating marshmallows and banana boats and all this stuff. So I think they lied to us to make us exercise. This hike was really optional, but I decided to do it just for the, here comes Mimi. I just decided to do it for the fun. So yeah, let's take one more look at the downhill nature. I'm gonna run. Don't trip, unstable rapid. Oh gosh, I was like a gazelle. I was. We're at a crossroad.
It's flat. It feels amazing. Okay, I'm going this way. I'll go with
Wait.
Very comfy. Thank you very much.
Where are we going? Alright, I'm gonna show these guys brain freeze. Does it say brain? Yeah, brain freeze hair salon. What's this car doing here? Brain freeze hair salon.
Adding commissioner. Kobe's friends with her. She's like, how did you guys do your hair in here? Your hair's so long. You didn't do it.
And we're back. Oh, I gotta show you the flag. I don't think I've showed it to you yet. It's amazing. We're back. Hey guys, I hope you all know that you've just made my day by watching my video. Click like and subscribe and you'll make my day again. Thanks!